WhatsApp Meta AI option not available on WhatsApp problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So as you can see here guys, this is the Meta. If you touch here, you can see this is the Meta AI. So guys, if you don't have this problem, then this video is absolutely for you. So guys, what you need to do is that you have to go to Play Store on your device, and after that here you have to search for WhatsApp. After searching for WhatsApp, make sure to update your WhatsApp if you have not updated. So guys, after updating, just refresh your phone and then check it out whether the problem has been solved or not, whether you got the Meta AI features on your WhatsApp or not. Guys, again, if it is not available, then no need to worry. I'm going to show you the next tricks. What you have to do, you have to delete your WhatsApp once. After deleting your WhatsApp, what you can do here is that you have to go to your phone settings, and here you have to check whether your device is asking for any kind of update or not. So here you can see you have to update your device. You can see download and install. If your phone is asking for any kind of update, make sure to update your device. After updating, you just need to refresh your phone and then reinstall your WhatsApp from Google Play Store or App Store, and then log in it. You can check it out. The problem might be solved. You might get the Meta AI option. But guys, again, if it is not available, then no need to worry. The last tricks you can apply and you will definitely gonna get that. You just need to go to settings, scroll down and go to apps, and here you have to go to app management, search for WhatsApp, and then click on it, click on storage usage, and then you have to clear the data as well as the cache, and then click on manage notification. You have to allow this notification, and then now you just need to check the option is available or not. Guys, again, if it is not available, then please comment me down below. I will definitely gonna help you out. Thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video.